Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday, and we will get back to the Issa story, but we can tell you that Mount Pleasant FA were in record-breaking mood. Chaperton Maroons ambushed Waterhouse at home, while Harbourview have reason to smile following Sunday's round of matches in the Rain FA Jamaica Premier League. For 7 years, Arnett Garnes held the record for the longest winning streak in the Jamaica Premier League. But that record of 10 came to an end as Mount Pleasant FA have made 11 their own in a 1-0 victory over Tivoli Gardens. Ironically, Mount Pleasant broke the record under the watchful eyes of the coach who guided Arnett Gardens then, Jerome Waite, who now sits in Tivoli's dugout. Captain Sule Makala led from the front with the goal. The longest unbeaten run of 26 matches is held by Arnett Gardens. Mount Pleasant are 50% away from equaling it.
I'm feeling elated, a record set, but I must congratulate the technical staff, the players, the management, because couldn't have done without a collective effort.
Well, I can congratulate them, in reaching the milestone and moving on to, a next additional game to their roster.
But for Whitmore, the 3 points are the most important thing coming out of the match.
After Tivoli went down 1-0, we know they would have come at us in the second half, because I think one of the main objectives was, after chasing the record, then the game become difficult for us. But again, we stood our ground and we get our main objective by getting 3 points and a win. That's all I could ask for.
We need to ensure that we move in the direction where the rest of the world is at this time, and it's named the VAR, because that's the only way our referees will improve, and you'll be teaching the players also.
Mount Pleasant's win means they are 8 points better than second place Montego Bay United, who drew 0-0 with Portmore United at Ferdinand Park. Third place Arnett Gardens had to pull out all the stops to share the points with title holders Cavalier. Justin Dunn and Jalmara Calvin gave Cavalier a 2-0 lead after 34 minutes, but Arnett fought back through Warner Brown and Joel Jones to salvage a point.
We played some tough teams. We have played the defending champion, the finalists, Montego Bay, who's in form. All these teams are quality teams, and that's how it is sometimes. We just have to continue to grind, continue to work hard, and see if we can get back in the winning column in our next game.
I am encouraged that we don't have Atkins, we don't have a couple of other players, and we're able to still come to Arnett Garden and didn't lose a game. They are one of the top teams, so I'm not really worried. I would have preferred to take the win, but it was always there for the taking. We just didn't take it.
Harbourview's long run without a win came to an end in a 4-1 victory over Dunbeholden FC. Racing United blanked Vere United 3-0, while Chaperton Maroons surprised the Waterhouse with a 3-0 win at the Drewsden Stadium.